The colon plays a vital role in digestion, absorbing water, salts, vitamins, and nutrients, and removing solid waste from the body. Before starting any colon cleansing treatment, consult your doctor, especially if you're on medication or have health conditions. Drinking at least 10-12 glasses of water daily helps flush out toxins and supports natural peristaltic action in digestion. Fresh apple juice aids bowel movements, breaks down toxins, and enhances liver and digestive system health. Lemon juice, rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, boosts energy, improves bowel movement, and enhances skin condition when consumed in the morning. Fresh vegetable juice detoxifies the body, offering vitamins, minerals, and chlorophyll, which help expel toxins and promote overall health. High-fiber foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and nuts facilitate bowel movements, expel waste, and prevent intestinal issues. Yogurt introduces good bacteria to the gut, aiding digestion and combating inflammatory bowel disease, especially if it contains live cultures. Flaxseed, packed with omega-3s, antioxidants, and fiber, absorbs water to help remove toxins and supports heart and diabetes health. Aloe vera acts as a laxative and detoxifier, alleviating headaches, skin infections, and digestive issues when combined with lemon juice. Ginger reduces bloating, promotes digestive juice flow, and keeps the colon free of waste and toxins in various forms like juice or grated. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.